video is for informational purposes only. Repairs shown may be dangerous. Viewer assumes all risk. Follow all manufacturer's guidelines.
All right, guys, I'm going to save you a ton of money here if you're replacing your own high limit. It's a kind of a finicky thing, so let's jump in. All right, so this is the high limit thermostat. You see that threaded piece right there? So those can actually break off inside the boiler when you go to replace this. So what I always do is I always go back through with a tap and tap out the hole. So you have nice clean threads to go into. If you don't, it could cost you a whole new unit, 12 grand. So very important, whenever you take these out, clean out the threads before you put them back in. Don't use a socket. Never use a socket. Hand tighten it on there. Make sure it sits flush. This is what can happen. So here's a brass one that's been broken off. If that breaks off in there, you've got to get it tapped out or it's a new unit. So be careful, guys.